Hi everyone, Elliot here for 3D Natives, and today I'm at 3D Print Paris. We're gonna meet people attending the show, exhibitors and students to ask them a few questions of what they think about this show and what they are presenting.
One word to describe the show. Rebirth.
Quite busy.
Innovative.
Enthusiastic.
Impressive.
Experience.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
No coffees for the moment, but I think I will need another one soon.
One this morning.
Just one. I need more.
The notorious Joseph Plusser.
Elon Musk with SpaceX.
I don't know somebody especially except me, maybe.
All I have in mind.
House? I will print my Autodesk capsule.
No idea, I'm sorry.
It would be nice to print a car or a plane.
We'll go fast.
Yeah.
A plane for visit around the world every day.
For me,
Yeah,
for me,
even better.
for me. Well, I'm a drummer. I love cars, classic cars, so I think that a big volume, multi-material.
Triple extrusion, maybe.
Only triple.
Or maybe more.
Et vous posez des questions, franchement, des questions que je me suis jamais posées dans toute ma carrière. And it's been 15 years I'm doing this.
I'm in marketing, so I have no idea.
Just Google it.
I can't remember.
Yes, stereolithography.
Stereolithography.
3 words.
3 words.
Freedom, creativity, speed.
Autonomy, speed, and expensive.
Exciting, new, part of my job.
Life, a job, and a lot of fun.
Innovation, design, and I would say technical expertise.
Future of my job. I cheat for a while.
The best way.
Future. 3D printing.